Brad Hall here. I know there's a lot going on right now. I hope everyone is doing okay, staying safe out there, making sure to wash your hands and self-quarantine. I know I have been isolating myself as much as possible. I hope you're doing the same and staying safe. Now today, I am going to talk about this shoe, the Yeezy 350 V2 in Desert Sage. This colorway, it looks like it takes its inspiration from a flight jacket. The upper is this really beautiful kind of grayish green color. The bottom, a nice gum sole. And then this liner right here, in the photos it was looking very saturated to me, but in person it's a lot more delicate, way more subdued, and I really like that. Probably the most interesting thing about this colorway is the stripe on this one. Now in normal light, it is this muted silver, but when you take a flash photograph, it just lights up. That's where you get that reflective stripe, a very cool look, and it just makes this shoe pop. So this is a really nice looking colorway on its own, but that reflective stripe, that makes it even better. And I was thinking about ways how to maximize the reflective stripe, and I came up with a really good idea. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film it today. I'm trying to stay out of the world, stay inside, so I couldn't film that video, but I wanted to share that idea with you right now. It's that good of an idea. Flash photography, that brings out the reflective stripe. So how do you maximize the number of flash photographs you take? Celebrities, people take flash photographs of them. Now, I'm not delusional. I know there are at least a few celebrities that are more famous than me. So if you really want to maximize the reflective stripe, my suggestion, dress up like a celebrity. I was all ready to do that today. Unfortunately, I couldn't, but I'm going to show you right now who I was going to dress up as. Someone slightly more famous than me. This is my Brad Pitt mask. This is what I was going to wear with this shoe. It might not read as Brad Pitt right now. I am gonna add hair and dress like him, so when I finally get a chance to film this out in public, you're gonna see how identical I am to Brad Pitt, so stay tuned for that.